Tradeify online, my cell phone online. Okay, let's get this going. Sorry, guys, slightly late today due to the traffic again. But next week, things should be okay. Okay, audio is okay here. Audio is here. Okay. Audio is good. Hello. Okay. All right. Good morning, everybody. Thursday, September 4, 9:23 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Anything I say is only for, it's not for financial advice, just for educational, and entertainment purposes. And ADP non-farm change at 8:15 was expected, but really didn't make a huge dent into the market. I saw it live while I was on my phone and really didn't see a spike. So now next news is at 10 o'clock. So the price is still stuck at 471. So let's take a look at what is base is pressure. Base is up, pressure is down. Our strike price is 250. So it's 23 to 50, and events was non-farm. ADP non-farm was and no spike, no all the hype and craziness. Really, nothing happened for this today. But today, definitely, we have some news coming in for crude oil, natural gas at 10 o'clock. 9:45 and 10 o'clock is really the news. Unemployment claims, more people lost jobs. ADP non-employment changes as well in red. But let's see what happens at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. One is medium and one is high impact. One is low, one is high. How far NASDAQ went up last night? 23,535 should, and low 23,431. 23,431. So the whole night, the market moved 100 points. Where are we right now? 464. So slightly above S1, but below R1. What's my plan? I will execute it after, what's his name? Daniel will start his brief. Then I will come in and take a look at it to see what's going on. And that's it. Whereas ES, you have highs and lows, 73 to 54. Not much movement in the night. So it's other floors are starting to come in. You have 19 active orders. What's going on? Why do I have so many active orders? Oh yeah, last night I had put 6,500 as my ES sell order, but nothing got filled. So what's 6,500? Did it become anything? Expected high. So let me just load up my charts. Double. How come my price of gold is not? Yesterday's gold expected high worked good. That's good. So today's gold expected high becomes at what? Where's gold for today? GC. The same, yeah, same as yesterday. 30. So maybe make a divergence. So we'll see. Is everything? Um, 480. Okay. All markets are kind of synced, four of them. So let's see.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Hello, guys. Microphone check. If you can hear me, guys. Walaikum salam. Tamur bhai, Hikesh, Joy sahab, good morning. Vikas. Tarek, good morning. Clifford, Amir, good morning. Rizwan, Sunil ji, good morning. Majid, Samir, Jagdeep ji, Sandeep, Lal ji, good morning. Hikesh, thank you, Hikesh. PG, good morning. PG, अपना पूरा नाम लिखें जी, please. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not intended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any profit or loss. You're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't think you made money yesterday. You'll make it today. Always be on your toes. Always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses. And do what you see, don't do what you think. Treat this market the very first day you treat, and all the areas we have on our SuperAreas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000 bases up. Pressure is down, high to go low, already at R1 area. So R1 whole night market just paused at R1 area. Same on our NASDAQ and our S&P 500. If you see, NASDAQ is pushing down right now from R1. S&P is pushing down, opening at mid, just slightly at mid area. So high to go low would be a good strategy, but price has to come down. If I go by the news, our ADP non-farm employment change is a really bad. It's less than forecast, less than the previous, and then unemployment claims are not good. It went up, and slowly we'll see it's unstable. U.S. even job openings and everything will be unstable. And if I see 945, if you look at the 945, we have our ISM, service PMI is coming, final service PMI is coming, and then our final PMI is coming. ISM service PMI is coming at 10 o'clock. And then 12 o'clock, Williams' speech is coming. And 7 p.m., we don't care about that. But best is high to go low. So best is somewhere R2, expected high would be a good area. Right now, S&P 500 6504 to 16 is our high, 65.16, and low is 64.25 to 13. NASDAQ, our high is 680 to 750. 23,680 to 750, and our low for NASDAQ is 270 to 200, 23,270 to 200. Dow was dead flat, means really flat whole night. It was just paused at PP and at top of the value area. And Russell 2000, same thing, came down, went back up after European session, after 6 o'clock, you see, we have a tiny push, but not much push, 8 point, and this is nothing. And S&P also paused, and everybody's waiting for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a big day, very big day. And we have non-farm employment changes coming. Look like there'll be less, and we'll see tomorrow what will happen. Just keep eye on tomorrow areas, guys, especially our expected high for the day. Euro was flat. If you look at the British pound, at open, British pound went up and gives back everything. Full push to the upside was giving back 100% to the downside. And then if you look at the Canadian dollar went down, and Canadian dollar is going down previously. And right now, if you see low of the day and sitting at the S2, in between S1 and S2 area, not much retracement. So yesterday we had after 10 o'clock a retracement, but it did not give us a lower high and continuation of the bigger swing, and still push to the downside. Euro, same thing, sitting at PP area, not much, mid-band magenta, just get inside. The whole night it was trying to fill up the value area, but did not. It just set at low of the value area. Crude oil is brutally down. If you look, crude oil is previously coming down, and from high 66.03. If you remember, on September 2nd, it was at the high, and from 66 right now, it hit very close to our expected low for the day. So 62.72 right now, and trying to retrace back up. And we are in a diversion for our crude oil. So crude oil is in a very tiny diversion. So bigger time frame is still telling us crude oil to bounce back up somewhere 64.10 at 64 area. That's where our expected high is sitting. And our FTAX went up, and FTAX 100% hit our expected high for the day, and retraced back down almost 30%, not much bounce back. And still, we might see our expected high for the day again got tested by FTAX. Gold is up. Gold went up yesterday, if you remember, went to our expected high for the day, and $66.40 pushed to the downside, and went to our expected low for the day, if you remember, yesterday expected low. So right now above PP, pushing up. We might see somewhere 36, 26, 24, 25. This is the area, and if it get inside, we might see filling up the value area. So that is sitting at the 33 area, 36, 33. You see, if you follow this strategy, the strategy I had from the day one, from beginning, never, ever, ever go short on the gold, even though you know it at expected high. Some people, they love to go short and long, but your major entry in gold should be to the upside. Anytime gold comes down to 240 chart and push is to the upside. And then we have our copper. Copper drop yesterday, big push to the downside, and right now copper is pushing back up from S1 and break our night session high. Copper break the night session high and trying to retrace back up towards our expected high and PB area, but still copper is down. This is a retracement and very nice retracement. And same thing with the silver. You remember silver went up yesterday, went to our expected high, 100% hit expected high, and $1.18 push to the downside. That's a very strong push to the downside on our copper. And right now, copper is retraced back up 57 cents, 57 cents retracement. Natural gas was up yesterday, went to our expected high for the day, retraced back, and then gives back everything what we had to the downside. And that's very tiny push. Even it didn't give plot a higher low or lower high. And right now, even we didn't get the lower high because we already have a higher high. If after higher high you're not getting a higher low, you're not going to get lower high. It means that whole push that we have is dead. It's a dead push. Bitcoin is down today. Bitcoin went up yesterday, $2,120, and give back everything. 24.95 push to the downside, and Bitcoin should go further down, somewhere 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, and then we'll see a clear direction for our Bitcoin. Ethereum, same thing, went up yesterday, $242, 140 retracement, and right now just dead flat at $97. Oh, sorry, $79.50, sitting at PP area. Guys, again today, 10 o'clock, 9:45 on 10 o'clock, we'll see the clear direction. But the best is any area. If you're done right now from our R1 area, just call for the day, because today, not much, but tomorrow we'll see a big, big day. Tomorrow's big day and big push will come. If numbers are red, price will go down, and numbers are green, price will go up. Why I'm saying to the upside? Because we have our 240. If you look at the upper band, it's sitting somewhere 65.30 area. So that's what I'm expecting. But we will get 6,500, 6,510, 6,500 will be a very, very strong resistance area where our expected high is today. So today our expected high will act as very strong resistance because we have a multi resistance in between 65 to 65, 10, 15 area. Same thing with the NASDAQ. If S&P is getting tough area, so NASDAQ will get the same area. If S&P reach to 65, 65, 65, 10, and wherever the NASDAQ is, so NASDAQ will fall from the same area. Just keep eye on S&P 500. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
All right, during the brief, price went to R1. If you took R1, you're done. So आपने R1 ले लिया, done हो गए. So कितने point लिए? If anybody took R1, 20 points. Very good. There you go. So R1 is done officially. Huge from. So let's plan it again more. I was trying to get ready and just happened too fast. So it didn't give me a chance to enter, but big, almost from 30 to quite a bit of points. So R1 is officially done. There you go. Starting to come in. R1 done, done, done. Good. So now wait. 10 o'clock, big news. Wait. It's testing R1 maybe a couple of more times now. So let's wait for R2 at least. Let's see what happens next. Let the market settle. Let's see. Here you go. Somebody took 53 points from R1. Maybe dollars, but 1 micro. There you go. That's awesome. Great. Wait for the next area, R2 now. And ES expected high as per Daniel. Wait for expected high. High to go low is the plan. Price is not making any direction whatsoever. Wait, it's inside R1 for ES. And what's the dollar difference today? 34 to 14. 34, 35 divided by 15. It's almost $2 every time. Heading towards R1 again. Let's see. The morning high is what today went to 540. Yeah, exactly 548. So morning high became 23,548. And morning low became 23,465. So that's the number we are working with. Let's wait for the next 490. Okay, wants to go, yes, wants to go to 6,500. We're back into 500 zone. Okay, back into 500. Wants to break R1. Near low. So NASDAQ, let's see if it goes to, at least it should test S1. because pivot is there for buying today. Let me double check. Where should I be buying? NASDAQ. There's no fib box. There's nothing. So R2. So slightly above 620. 620.
400.
Huh?
400 NASDAQ.
अब buy पे
Buy.
अब buy पे
400 NASDAQ because नाइट सेशन हाई टच किया वापस आ रहा है तो लो जो है 430 के पास है तो 400 टच का वापस 500 पे चली जाएगी डबल डायरेक्शन नाइट सेशन हाई टच किया है ना नाइट सेशन हाई टच किया है इसलिए
फिर दोबारा 500 की तरफ आ जाता है अब ये डे सेशन हाई देखते हैं करता है कि नहीं Yes, mid-band worked, came up. Good morning, Ji. Trying to test one more time. News, guys, very soon, 8 o'clock. Very soon news, so be ready. So you got 6 months and financial PMI is bad as well, right? So high impact news, so watch out. Evaluation may be okay, but funded, just keep an eye. It could change direction very instantly, this news that's coming. Yes.
For me, it always shows one day earlier, even after a couple of time refresh.
No, you have to do everything at 9:15 a.m. It cannot do
Reopen.
before. Yeah, refresh. So 9:15 a.m. is, if you refresh right now, it will show
Means
you.
reload
Yes,
present date
yes,
or
yes.
historical.
Both can work. If it will show you Thursday, because we do it before market open, right? So yeah.
And the ATM strategy, that automatic one, how?
I'll give you the videos on how to set it up. No problem. It's good for ES, gold, crude oil, and This version, you can. It's not 100%. It's not like you will set it and every trade is going to go past. It just failed right now. Previous three black candle. So there are stop losses too, but it'll give you an idea that how to place this sell stop, buy stop orders. All right. The price is in same where it's opened. It is completely consolidation, just going up a little, going down. There's so wait till 5 more minutes till it slows down. So wait for R2 is our plan.
$23,580.
Yeah, 5.
Then what funded account it is good on deal?
There's no deal at the moment. Bullnox is gone, Apex. Only is take profit at the moment. All right, we're back into 4 minutes. So that is the one where you, if you can pass it in 1 month, they'll give you that PA for free. So there you go. We're back into the zone of 500, trying to go to R1, maybe trying to create liquidity. Three minutes to the news. Two minutes.
Apex deal is still 4.
No. No deal at the moment. 1 minute to the news.
So next deal is R2.
Sorry? Yeah, R2 is the plan. एक्चुअली मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. मैं 600 पे जा रहा हूँ, उससे भी ऊपर 620 तक. ये अपर बैंड 60 मिनट का वहाँ खड़ा है. 60-minute upper band is standing at R2 above, so I am picking, if the spike goes, slightly above R2. 620 tak, reasonable. All right, craziness happened already. Almost at nothing major. No really spike today. No spike, still stuck at same price. So news impact is, let me double check. It is pending, it is green. So let's see which way. So it kind of neutralizes the one green, but there's more red news than there's green. ES did not do anything. NASDAQ is still stuck at 4. So before 600, I'm not doing any short on NASDAQ. That's my game plan. R2. Between 580 to 600, we should get a few points out of it. Yes, you can trade in news in Bullnox Master, correct. So hopefully the train चल पड़ी है नीचे की तरफ, अभी नहीं पता. 455 falling free fall. Let's see.
Right at PP?
No, I'm not. Pressure is down, so I'm waiting for PP could act like a good support, but I'm not taking pivot. There you go, 4.25 stun. What is he?
Morning.
So price is heading to PP and S1 for NASDAQ right now. So if you're short like me, enjoy. I'm short couple of micros from 540 and done. 100 points. 540 say live account में 100 point. So because live I can hold, right? I don't have a stress over holding. Purdia, everything else. And it is falling. So if you're selling, stay in short. So PP broke and we're inside S1 now.
मैंने मिस्टेक की थी.
हाँ वो नहीं वापस हो सकता. आपने डिलीट कर दिया तो डिलीट हो गया. So from S1, it is bouncing slightly. Fib boxes are there somewhere 375, 370. The green box there is on 60-minute chart. So 370. So should be a good number. It should stop around 360, 370 zone. Should. Let's see. Right now it's testing the 60-minute S1, 60-minute pivot and mid-band. So S1 is there, pivot is there, 60-minute mid-band is there. So lower morning session was 421. And our area 100% worked. S1 worked 100%. So S1 is done, R1 is done until 10 o'clock. So my entry is 375. 23, 375, 1 or 2 micros, hit and run, just to go in and take a few points from there. It should stop there. Because 371 is your prior week's low. So that 371 could give us some points, but let's see.
375.
371, 375, 370. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, come into the area of 360. So I will start taking my risk somewhere around 375. Let's see. And my stop loss would be 330. That's the maximum if it breaks my S2, then, but right now S1 is very strong support. It's acting and it's gone back up. So S1 is officially done. There you go. 370. Yes. R1 20 points done. S1 20 points done. I think you should stop. That's all I can say at the moment. Good enough. Please. Please ही कह सकते हैं और क्या करें. Hello जी. First day today? Okay, yeah, no problem.
I should have come in like Tuesday, but I could not come.
No problem. No worries. I'll give you a bit of an orientation soon on how you have trading experience. Okay, well then makes my job much easier.
Yeah, I looked into your videos,
Okay,
but yeah,
no problem. I'll get you going somewhere around maybe around 11. Okay, just log into Ninja, click simulation, just observe. That's rest is easy. So S1 done, R1 done. Let's take a look which way it goes. I think it should still go to S2 because ESS1 is sitting at PP. So we it should give us some S1 जो है ना ES का
453 or
नहीं 6450 के पास
52.
हाँ PP भी वहाँ खड़ा है वैल्यू एरिया भी वहाँ खड़ा है S1 भी वहाँ खड़ा है. So a good support, by the way, would be S2 though, because it's the bottom of the value area. So value area is there, S2 is there, and so definitely from around 35 zone, it should bounce back up. So ES 35, 64, 35, we will get quite a few points. But right now we are heading into value area top, 64, 55, 54 zone. I think that's what he wrote, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 64, 54, and 36. So these numbers will act very good supports and resistance value area. There you go. NASDAQ is inside S1 one more time. Let's see. So everybody who is done, please just sit back, relax.
Can I have one more chart in here, like
Yeah.
because if I do duplicate,
no, just change the color as per the video. Just change this color. So link it to different one because this color shows that I am linked to ES.
yeah.
So make it duplicate, but change the color to yellow or something. So that will make it easier. So, all right.
Where like I have duplicated,
Yeah. So
remove the
now change the symbol and change. So
then
change it to
everything will change.
no,
This also,
no,
yeah.
because you have two colors, so the colors cannot match. So go to that other tab and make sure it's a different color.
Different
Color.
First, I have to change the color.
Yeah, first you change the color. So we're trying to go back into R1 for ES. Let's see. So almost it's a 15-point swing.
In
No. Cancel. Just this color on top.
this
Yeah,
one?
exactly. Change it to a different color.
Oh, okay.
So it pulled up a lot. Let's see. Let's see if R1 becomes a little bit of a resistance. Mid-band, short. Let's see. Does it give me a point from here? Yeah, got a point out of that mid-band. 15-10 mid-band came out of boxes were inside. Mid-band gave me 2 points. From 64 to 62. कहाँ से 375 मैं 375 375 37 थोड़ा सा नीचे 4
क्योंकि वो 421 पे आ रहा है ना
हाँ तो मैं
वापस
हाँ जा सकता क्योंकि उसको नीचे आना है थोड़ा वो वहाँ ना 4 चीज
ठीक है ऑर्डर फुल हो जाएगा
वहाँ 4 चीजें
30 से निकल जाऊंगा।
अच्छा, आप
दोबारा नीचे 370 से जाऊंगा।
ठीक है, ठीक। मैं क्योंकि वो जो रेड ग्रीन डब्बा है ना, 60 मिनट, इट्स
ग्रीन डब्बे किस चार्ज में देखते हैं?
फिबोनाची होता है ना, उसकी रिट्रेसमेंट्स हैं
अच्छा,
कि अगर स्विंग गई है 100,
ओके,
13 23%, 38%, 60%। अभी ये देखे ना
उसको देखते हैं।
उसको,
मेरे पास नहीं, मैं बस को
नहीं क्योंकि वो बॉट्स जो है ना वो फिब पे चलते हैं ना, तो वो फिर एटलीस्ट आपकी एक्यूरेसी और अंदर आ जाती है। आ रही है जी, आ रही है। We're coming down fast.
मैं बस वो तेरी प्रीवियस देख रहा हूँ, उसके नीचे जो नंबर आएगा वही। अब ये 417 का है,
हाँ, मुझे 375 का रीजनेबल लग रहा है।
फिर दोबारा नीचे 370। इसने जाना फिर है वापस।
हाँ हाँ,
ये
जाएगी,
फिर
ये
वापस जाएगी।
ये जाएगी ऊपर, लेकिन पहले इसने ये लगा लेना।
नहीं, नीचे जाएगी ये। पता कितने नीचे जा रहे हैं, वापस वापस। ये बात हो सकता है यहीं से वापस चली जाए। कम टाइम ऐसा ही है, पहले से वापस
बस
चली जाए।
414 तक आई है।
क्योंकि रसल ने भी ऐसे ही किया है,
अच्छा,
टच किया वापस ऊपर चली गई, फिर नीचे। रसल ने भी यही काम किया।
आने दे, आने दे। 370 पे बैठा हूँ मैं। 75 पे भी ठीक है, 5 पॉइंट ऊपर।
65 to 370.
हाँ, वो एरिया 60 से 40 है ना। चार 410 से ही चली। ऐ ना करो यार। If it breaks S1, then we're looking at that S2 360 370 zone. So 3020 has made a lower low. So let's see where the red boxes appear on 3020. Let's see. आज डाउ और रसल डाउ और नैस्डैक सेम है?
दोनों
नहीं देखें जो लाइन जा रही है ना, नैस्डैक और रसल सेम है, नैस्डैक और रसल सेम है, लेकिन ईएस एंड डाउ सेम।
चारों सेम तकरीबन।
थोड़ा सा ऊपर है वो। अगर डाउ पर ईएस जा रही है तो वो देखें ना, येलो लाइन मुझे एग्जैक्ट बता देती है 4 लाइन की सिंक में, कि 2 सिंक में है, 2 आउट ऑफ सिंक। Let's see if 3020 gives us a bit of a retrace. फिर वहीं ले आए 460 470। Wait for at least the 70 zone. The red box is there. Let's see if it fills up the fib box on 3020. That will put us somewhere inside R1. So that would act as a doubles resistance. Red box is there, R1 is there. They can swing आई, ऊपर रेड डब्बा बना। रेड डब्बा देखें कहाँ बन रहा है, R1 के अंदर बन रहा है। 60 then 3020 ES, where the red box is. That red box is falling inside as a resistance of R1. So hopefully we'll get a few points out of it. Hopefully, but let's see. Time will tell. Market opened at 475, stuck around same price, went to 540, then went to 410, and now it's hovering between these two numbers. Come on, ES, pull up. ES 70 तक तो आ जाए। आ गए जी, डब्बे के अंदर आ गया ऑलमोस्ट। Right in between, back to 500 zone. NASDAQ is back to R1, very close. 70 पॉइंट ले हैं एकदम.
If I want the order quantity to follow separately, like if I change one place, it will change.
No.
That doesn't have.
30 and 30, 60 point shot up one full. See, R1 acted as a resistance. So box भी वही था, R1 भी वही था. So you can in advance predict where should be your selling. Let's see, the blue box is sitting there, but this mid-band could fail, in my opinion. But yeah, so price is trying to go back into R1, but it's in the middle of R1 and S1, right in the middle. Let's see. All right. Half an hour candle is going to close in 1 minute. If you're doing natural gas, stay away. Storage is coming, and then 12 o'clock Eastern, when the Europe candle closes, 4 hour, you have crude oil coming. So today, natural gas and crude oil, if you're trading there, just keep an eye. 23 seconds to go for anybody trading natural gas. Let's see the spike. Right now, natural gas is trading at $3.3071. Let's see. Back into 500 zone. Crazy. है नहीं?
कनेक्शन है ना जो मेरा वो है चेस रेड ग्रीन होता है वो ऑटो वाला वो चेंज होता है एक्चुअली में वो सर कह रहे हैं उसकी वजह से इंटरनेट की वजह से
हाँ हाँ, इंटरनेट ये आपका स्क्रीन सेवर ऑन हो जाता होगा ना?
हाँ तो वही ये कहते हैं ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
हाँ हाँ,
तो वाईफाई डायरेक्ट मतलब काम डायरेक्ट लगाओ उसके लिए
ठीक है। ये अपने वो डिसेबल कर दें, उससे क्या कहते हैं आपका है?
वाईफाई नहीं डालता
ओके, रिफ्रेश किया कौन से वाले चार्ट में?
15
ओके, मैं अभी पे। ऑलराइट, NASDAQ has gone back up to 500 zone.
मिनट
501, 503, 506, and it is shooting up. Very close to R1 again. From 410 to 510, 100 points up.
ये याद रखिए 600 ये 600 the fill.
Third candle rejection worked. We're inside R1 again, one more time. ES has gone into R2, NASDAQ in R1. Still wants to climb up. 525, full throttle up from 410 to 525. Almost caught up to each other, NASDAQ and ES. हाँ ऊपर से R2 से Let's see. So R2 tested as a resistance or ES, and it worked. Touch 79, came down.
Whenever it's going in here, right?
Yeah.
Is there a way we can shift this whole thing up? Because only this expands and
Yeah,
contracts. But this,
you can make it. Yes, sir. ठीक है. Any desk कर लें. सर कल शामी 6 बजे कर लो आज. हाँ मैंने व्हाट्सएप करना कॉल आंदी नहीं हो 4 बंदे होने जाते व्हाट्सएप करना कॉल नहीं आंदी नहीं कॉल व्हाट्सएप दा नंबर है व्हाट्सएप करया करो हाँ मैंने कहो कि मेरा एनी डेस्क है 6 बजे कर लो मैं कर लो हाँ जी नो प्रॉब्लम एनी टाइम एनी टाइम अभी आ रहा है मैं बाइंग में नहीं हूँ बाइंग नीचे से हाँ हाँ R2 से आ रहा है पूरा R1 टेस्ट हुआ है लेट्स सी जी जी 647-228-0694 हाँ जी नो प्रॉब्लम दिखा बढ़िया ही एक सेकंड 30 मिनट वाले में आ रहे हैं 30 मिनट इसमें चलता है मतलब मैं सेटअप कर रहा सर ओके सॉरी नहीं मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए सिर्फ ना यहाँ से पासवर्ड की कॉपी करनी है मैंने सुपर लिखिएगा ओके सो ये पासवर्ड
फाइव मिनट वो भी 30 का 5 मिनट वाला चार्ट है उसको 30 का
कौन सा
इसमें होता 5 मिनट का क्या दिस इज 40 चेक होता है
ओके मैं इसको क्लीन करता हूँ बैठ के नो प्रॉब्लम आई विल डबल चेक ऑलराइट हैं कीजिए हाँ जी सर ये 10 थोड़ा मुश्किल है उनका लेकिन हो जाता है मैं अभी आपके साथ आता हूँ जी Let me just fix this 497 make sure I'm not in any trade here Back into the zone of 500. News is bad, but the market is up. Isn't that crazy?
Same thing happened yesterday.
Yeah, news was bad, market is up, so they will probably bring it down sometime, but don't know when. Going down.
Still not showing.
है नहीं नहीं आ रहा मैं अभी चेक करता हूँ स्टॉक It's trying to break R1. Like, there you go, mid-band worked on ES. Let's see if R2 makes a bit of a divergence on 1510. NASDAQ is deciding which way to go. 400 or 6.
गोल जो है ना वो बिल्कुल बैलेंस में सीपी में ना नीचे ना ऊपर ना नीचे ना ऊपर बिल्कुल बैलेंस ऊपर नीचे
हाँ जी मैं तो मैं 600 का वेट कर रहा हूँ 600 से ऊपर 620 का हाँ नैस्डैक का 620 क्योंकि अपर बैंड 60 मिनट का जो है ना वहाँ खड़ा हुआ है अबव R2 सो अगर ये गया तो 600 के ऊपर शुड बी ए गुड सेल
मैं गोल्ड का वेट कर रहा हूँ एज नीचे का ही है
अच्छा वो पूरा 35 पॉइंट तो आ गया ना कल से वो 170 हैं हाँ अभी तो बहुत बाकी है सर अभी गोल्ड मेरे हिसाब से 71 तक आना चाहिए 71 यहाँ से 25 पॉइंट
200 की रेंज
नहीं पहला स्टॉप तो इसकी रिट्रेस आनी चाहिए एटलीस्ट 3571 then we'll decide the next part. All right, now ES is back into R2 and NASDAQ is inside. All right, just waiting for 11 o'clock candle, then I will come back to you. 10 minutes. $521. Let's see if it goes to R2. It's a difference 71 to 20. 71 to 20, 71 divided by almost $3 to $4. There's SRES is building on 1510, somewhat. $480. Nope. NASDAQ shot back up again, so. ये NASDAQ जाता है साथ ये वैसे ही चला जाता है अभी कंसोलिडेशन हो रही है प्राइस की कि which way it's gonna go. If NASDAQ goes to 600, this will go to quite a bit. I think Phil himself bucket. How many people and around? Then make an announcement. Then go to decide where you go. Yes, shot up 23 points. से जहाँ से ओपन हुई थी वहीं खड़ी है तकरीबन. All right, ES has gone up and NASDAQ has gone up too. Six minutes to go for 11 o'clock candle, 1 hour candle, 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle. So stuck inside R1. Yes, same thing. So you decide you may go. आ रही है, let's see. थोड़ी सी गिरती है 10 पॉइंट फिर वापस चली जाती है. चार का इस वक्त आज फर्क पड़ रहा है 6 ऑलमोस्ट 5 का. NASDAQ गिरेगी 5 पॉइंट तो ES गिरेगी 1 पॉइंट. 61 डिवाइडेड बाय 18 ऑलमोस्ट 4 का फर्क है. 3 से 4 का. SRES कंप्लीट हो गई पूरा. NASDAQ. Yes, तो उसी कैंडल में फंस गई. All right, so okay. It's okay. Just wait for the number.
One quick, there are, you mentioned earlier, there is a list where it shows how many orders.
Yeah, so you have to
That
pay
is one thing.
$41 per month.
Yeah, that's one thing. And based on that, if people are sitting still low or still above, is there a way or strategy to decide, if it acts as resistance, how many point it would go based
No,
on the volume
no,
below? No?
because these are bots playing it. We don't have a chance against them, you know. All right, 11 o'clock candle is going to start soon. फिर मैं आपकी तरफ आता हूँ. कौन सा? नहीं नहीं, आपने लॉग इन करना है, उसके अंदर जाना है, आपने टेलीग्राम के अंदर से एक्सेस लेनी है. इधर से नहीं, आप जाएं सुपर एरियस में लॉग इन करें, देखें आपके पास सारी एक्सेस है कि नहीं. सुपर एरियस में लॉग इन किया है, परमिशन सारे आ रहे हैं, ग्रीन है सब. ठीक है, अब आप जाएं, ऊपर लिखा है आपके फोन पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, उसके अंदर ज्वाइन करें. ES is stuck on that candle. हाँ, प्रीमियम टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में जाएं.
इसमें बोला कि ये account is not.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
So your demo is failed. I mean, not failed. It's expired. So you have to get a new demo. फिर अभी आपके पास एक्सेस नहीं होगी. अच्छा, मैं अभी करवा देता हूँ, वेट कीजिए. This is annoying. Price is consolidating, trying to figure out which way should I go. चलो ये. All right, 11 o'clock candle. Yes, it's fully 95% overbought. Let's see. Okay, I'll get this started before. Wait for 600 R2 and wait for 6,500 for R3 here. That's the plan. Today, Broadcom earnings are there in the evening, so be very careful. That's a big company, $1.4 trillion. So it's top 10 companies in the world for NASDAQ. So, all right. So let me give you 529. A lot more sellers, buyers. Almost sync हो गई हैं तीन. So, but Dow, Russell is still down. हैं? नहीं नहीं होगा लेकिन क्वेश्चन है कहाँ से? Which is
गोल्ड जो है वो नीचे नहीं जा रहा,
gold वहीं खड़ा है.
बार ऊपर नहीं कुछ ऊपर जा रहा
So these three markets are almost in sync. NASDAQ, ES, and Dow is almost in
है.
sync.
पीपी के ऊपर R1 के दरमियान ही फिरता रहेगा, वो गोल्ड जो है वो पीपी के पास ही फिरता रहेगा, वो ना ऊपर जा रहा नहीं नीचे. इसीलिए गोल्ड में खोल के बैठा हूँ ना, वो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा. यूं ही गोल्ड ने कुछ किया फिर सारे करेंगे. गोल्ड कंट्रोल
नहीं, रसल नीचे है, बाकी तीनों सिंक हो गए.
आज भी वही काम बता रहा है.
All right. So first thing is first. The way this floor works is Monday to Friday. I will lead you into analysis. There are 8 mentors like me that just do commentary. So Daniel teaches the actual program Saturday and Sunday. These 4 classes are the same. You have done your 4 classes, and now today is your first day. Your demo on Ninja Trader has expired. So what will happen is you will go back on Ninja Trader with the new email, and you'll get a new demo which works for 14 days, right? So Monday to Friday, 9:30 till 11, 12 o'clock, I'm doing commentary. Along on this floor, there are 3 people doing commentary. I'm doing NASDAQ ES Gold. Next room is Mr. Junaid. He's doing his commentary. And then we have Mr. Vikram or Majid Bhai who's doing. So then we have 2 more offices. So each mentor is kind of on their own in terms of doing their own analysis, right? So this is kind of the I kind of give you the full overview after Daniel to see what could happen about funded accounts, all of that. So I would consider it's a little bit of an advanced floor that if you're not sure how things are, this can be a little bit overwhelming. Since you already have trading experience, welcome. So the teaching portion, the question answer generally happens around 11. After 11 o'clock, things have calmed down. People have either made their money or given away their earnings or whatever. So by 11 to most people are done by 11. Some are done by 9:30, 9:35, 8. This market runs 23 hours a day. So since you have some trading experience, this is day trading. We're not focusing on stock. We're not focusing on options, nothing like that at the beginning. However, the software does work for everything altogether. So let me just turn on my camera. So software does, you can analyze options, stocks, crypto, anything, but primarily we're focused on futures trading. So futures trading is where you sit in front of a computer 23 hours a day and you're able to predict the market, which way it's going, just by the direction. Should I go up? Should I go down? That's it. That's all you're doing whole day, 23 hours a day. And this software will help you do the analysis. Basics is trend trade. If it's green, buy. If it's red, sell. That's your trend trade. Um, there are different types of trades out there, but primarily we use trend trade or support and resistance levels. So each day you're given 8 levels of 15 markets. Actually, 4 markets, 8 levels, and then some are 2 levels. So expected high, expected low, all of that. So how much familiar you are with futures? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so primarily ES, then NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we do just really support and resistance levels. So our resistance level today, if you had shorted from 510 earlier, you're done. If you went long from 410, you're done. Now we're waiting for the price to get to 600, we'll sell. And if it goes to like S2, so each day 8 levels, buy and sell, support and resistance. If you're looking to do ES, gold, things like that, you can scalp. Yes.
So in the morning time, dinosaur gives us reading, telling the base and the pressure.
Yes.
So they also have when the base is up and pressure is down.
Correct.
So can you explain like what does
Base means if the price is opening above pivot point, like which way will tilt R or S zone. So if it's opening above base, above PP on 60-minute, it means base is up. Pressure is down is generally market should go down. Sometimes pressure is written up, but market goes down. Sometimes pressure is, so this is not 100% that it will follow. It's just we are looking at an overall term of market correction. So today market should go down. Sure.
so when you talk about pressure, like what do you think? How do you derive the pressure?
Oh, but magic bands. There are on every chart, there are magic bands that are showing the trend of the market up or down. So if you look at 60-minute, you have these magic bands showing the pressure down. So, but that pressure could be not for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, things like that. So that mostly is for position trading. If you're looking to hold a position, should I be in short or should I be in long, right? So that's why beginners are just in a trade to do scalping. Okay, I'm going to buy from this line, midline, take up a 4 takes, 5 takes, 10 takes. So for scalping, there are 14 ways. For position trading, primarily is support and resistance. So if you can see if it's opening above PP, opening above very close to night session mid, and it has more chances that 9:30 price will go up. If it's opening below PP, and below midline, more chances are. So that's a 9:30 trade, just in and out. So primarily, you will see a lot of our user just scalping, going in a market, 4 takes, 5 takes, 10 takes, 20 takes, whatever. So if you're the type of like Mr. Avas behind you, he's waiting for a number 600, he will sell from there, or 6,500, he'll sell ES from there. So it changes on how basically you're looking at the market. You are using NinjaTrader to trade. You can connect your own money. You can connect funded account. You can connect interactive broker to it. So a few different things. Of course, futures trading runs until time or money. So it's not like stocks or anything. So if 23 hours a day, if you don't have enough margin, either time will run out or money will run out, right? So close your trades by 4:30, and then reopen at 6 if you like. And that's primary it in terms of so everything thing that I teach here is really recorded online. Most of it is there. You just need to pick a method and strategy that suits you in terms of what is it that you would like to trade. Like there's a mid-band strategy, there's a 3 candle rejection strategy, there's a black candle strategy, there's like overbought RSI strategy, Bollinger Band, moving average. So we give you everything. You pick and decide where you want to scalp, or you don't care about scalping. You're like, all right, I got my levels for today. These are the levels. Price can bounce. So of course, every level price goes like this, or coming down price. So these are our pivots that from around here, it should do a bit of a correction. So R1, R2, R3. So today, this morning, this is done for NQ. And same where the correction happened, S1. Sorry, this would be S1. And so S1 is shot back to this way today.
Yeah. So, yeah, I was doing futures, but I was wondering, like, ES future is mostly on SPY.
Yeah, but with
You don't look at SPY.
no, we don't. We just look straight futures itself, the contract of December contract, and or right now we're trading September contract. September contract.
And so, my graph is actually not working well.
Okay. Problem is your demo is expired. So you okay? You got what's wrong with the graph?
I mean, the trigger point.
Okay.
Like,
Oh, sorry.
one chart.
Trigger. Okay. I think you got it a little bit squeezed up. Give me a second. My recommendation is not to watch NASDAQ on these charts. It moves too fast on tick chart. So best to stick to ES on 1510 or 3020 if you want to watch NASDAQ because your small triggers will get pinched so down there. So it's a bit of a problem. So I don't recommend using NASDAQ on these charts. Use 30-minute, 15-minute, or
Even this 3020 is also like the outside.
yeah. I'll get that fixed for you. 1 second. So because it's NASDAQ is way too fast for this. There you go. ES is coming back. It will fix it. So NASDAQ, watch it in 30 minutes, 15. So because the NASDAQ volatility, the chart can't keep up with this pointing. जी सर जाए इसको फॉलो करें ना
इसको फॉलो करूँ तो ये मैंने
हाँ तो वो कह रहे हैं ना ईमेल लिखें स्टार्ट
लिखी थी मैंने स्टार्ट
नहीं यार
इसमें कोड एक्सपायर तो नहीं है एक्टिवेट तो आज हो गया था आज की इन्होंने एक्टिवेट
दोबारा करें
दोबारा करना फिर हम स्टार्ट पे
हाँ दोबारा स्लैश स्टार्ट लिखें
अगर स्लाइड स्टार्ट में चल पड़ेगा
अब लिखें अपनी ईमेल
तो मुझे मोस्टली फंडेड अकाउंट के बारे में
ओके मैं आ रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट आ रहा हूँ
और कभी कभी मैं
इधर तो सब एक्टिव है देखना
लॉग इन करें
लॉगिन तो है मैसेज लॉग आउट एक्सपायर्ड इन 34 days
expired 34 days ago तो ago yes आप expired हैं expiry August 1st नहीं उन्होंने अगस्त 1st कर दिया सितंबर 1st हाँ उनसे कहें कि थोड़ा सा एरर आ रहा है तो seconds मैं सर अभी आपको फंडेड के बारे में सारा बताता हूँ 1 मिनट दीजिएगा another mid band worked beautiful and price has gone back up. Let's see if it makes another resistance here. R2. 500 के अंदर फंस गई है प्राइस
400 to 550 के दरमियान है ना
वो जा रही है जी अब थोड़ा सा जा रहा है
रिट्रेस करके तो गोल जो है उसकी बस 56 अंडर दे आसपास 56 56 90 के दरमियान हो गया
नहीं डे हाई नहीं तोड़ा उसने 548 तोड़ा नहीं है 5
भाई सुपर एरिया एक्सपायर हो गए तो फिर
कुछ
एरिया तो नहीं ना आना चाहिए
कुछ में नहीं आ रहा है
एरिया आ रहे हैं
नहीं नहीं वो फिर आधी चीजें मिली हुई हैं आधी नहीं है जब तक वो प्रॉपर एक्सपायरी होगा ना हो गया ठीक है ठीक हाँ इनका वो जरा वो अगस्त फर्स्ट शो कर रहा है
कभी खोलेंगे मेरे अपने नंबर कभी कभी मेरे जहन से होंगे जब उन्होंने नंबर बेचते होंगे मैंने पता होंगे उनके नंबर से तो मैसेज पता चला जाता है फिर मैं मैसेज नहीं भेजता मेरे अपने भी नंबर होंगे वो जो नंबर देते मैं आप ही बेच ले सम टाइम उन्होंने मेरा मैच होया होना मेरे को काउंटिंग होगी है ना सारी बहुत जबरदस्त 90% मैच होंगे मेरे तो नंबर मैच होंगे मैं देखिए मैं चाहता है ऐसा फोन करता फोन करना फोन करनी
Okay, sir. There are three types of primary accounts. Number one, your own account. Easy. Go open up with ninjatrader.com. Send your money 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever you like, right? And of course, based on the margin, you'll be able to trade differently. However, there are two main companies. One is Take Profit. If you go on SuperAreas.com, you'll see a banner called Take Profit. So that company is two stages, meaning first they will do an evaluation test, then they will do a performance. So that's called that they will test you if you are able to trade. Cost $90. The cost is 90, and then you can move into round number two. $90, take profit. So these are called the two-stage companies. So two stages, they give you stage one to make some profit, and then stage two to make some profit.
Take profit में तो directly है.
Eh?
There's no two stages.
There is take profit. Purdia is single stage.
So I paid 150.
मैं सर दोबारा देखना है कुछ हाँ नहीं नहीं वो सर्विसेज नहीं एक्सेस करने देगा अच्छा
एरिया से मुझे वो जितना एक्टिव तो है देखने को डेटा क्योंकि मैं रिफ्रेश कर रहा था ना उसमें लेकिन 34 days ago it's expired but I can access
ਹੁਣ ठीक हो गया ओके मैं इन्हों दोबारा सारे सिस्टम ने दोबारा पढ़दा कि की हो रहा So take profit is two stages. Pass one stage, pay $90, and they'll give you capital of, let's say, either $1,500 or $2,000. and you have to reach a certain target. And then once you pass that, the real stage is the stage 2. So if you're looking for one stage, the company is Purdia Capital. That's the best company that gives you single stage and does pay you no issues whatsoever.
But after 9K,
Yeah?
after
No,
making
no, 3,000.
even per year,
Purdia is only 3,000. So that's it. So you will, the cost is $90 approximately for stage 1. And then it's stage 2 is included if you are able to do it within 30 days. And Purdia is expensive. It's almost like $750. 750 US dollars, and they'll give you capital of $3,000. So it is expensive. So the take profit is better, $90. They will give you almost $2,000. Yeah.
So I could actually take profit 1 month now. Loaded a few days.
Okay.
But I paid around 150, 140 dollars.
Yeah. So that
That was 50,000.
1,500. Okay.
But
Sorry. ठीक है. So possible that you can like I don't know. Purdia never take profit never came to this price ever. I've never seen. Maybe you've taken an Apex or Bullnox or a different company. Take profit was never $40.
not $40, 140.
140. Yeah. So you probably didn't apply the coupon. With the coupon it's $90.
$90 USD.
USD. Everything is USD.
Maybe I'm converting it to.
A night session tod gaye.
And so once the 30 days you achieve the target of $3,000
Yeah.
within 30 days of time with that method, people, what happens after that?
So then you start again. Same target. So you got to do it twice.
Oh,
And then second target they will pay you.
second target.
Yes. They don't pay anything in the first target whatsoever.
what about the price of Apex?
Sorry?
There are two prices, like for EV and
Yeah. EV evaluation they charge you like 50 and performance 130. It's about $200 for both. Yeah.
So then I took a bull
Okay.
recently,
Okay.
$2,000 down. So I'm week 2 of that one. I was going slow.
Okay.
Till now, I've only picked up like $500.
That's fine. So you're doing stage 1 on Bullnox. Yeah.
Stage 1. So once I complete it, then I have to go on stage
Exactly. Stage 2 you have to make 4,100.
41.
Correct. Yeah.
Once I make 4,100,
Then they will give you $1,500 out of it.
and I think I was reading that you cannot make like more than 3 accounts.
Yeah, on Bullnox is maximum 3 account. Correct.
But others give.
Apex is 20. Purdia, I think, is 1. So it's every company gives you slightly different. Yeah.
Since I was new, I did not get it. But I think still, I think take profit is a better.
Yeah, take profit is still good because if you pass within 30 days, you don't have to pay the fees again. Yeah.
There was one more thing that I was trying to argue with them about daily drawdowns.
Yes.
End of the day.
Yeah, end of the day for round 1 for take profit, but Bullnox is life trailing threshold. So if you see $100, you close as 0, they'll deduct $100. Every funded company does that.
So with take profit, I was in a trade, and it went against me, and all of a sudden like 2,000.
Yeah. So that's
So is it not At the end of the day?
No, but end of the day, either that's the calculation. But if you go minus 100,000, like they're not gonna let you go minus 100,000 immediately. End of the day is the calculation of per trade. But if you make 50 or 60 or whatever, but they have give you a capital of 2,000. If you blow this in 1 minute, you're done. If you blew this in 24 hours, you're done. But maximum, there's a daily loss limit. Actually, there's a maximum of loss limit. Yeah.
So the daily maximum loss limit
It's
was
2,000.
during I was trading.
Yeah.
So they will lock me?
They will allow, every funded company gives you a maximum loss limit. So take profit, maximum loss limit is your $2,000.
Yeah.
That's,
But I'm talking about that. I was in a trade at that point of time.
yeah,
And my account went below 2,000.
finished, instant liquidation. It's like a live money, right? If you open up a real futures account and you're gone, certain thing, you're gone. That's it.
Yeah, that was the first. It was
Correct, correct. But because remember, for $90, they're not gonna give you unlimited money, right?
very fast.
Yeah, yeah. So I think you rushed into trading a little bit fast.
I was hesitant. I did not trade first day, second day.
Yes, yes.
Started little. Third day, I got.
So generally, most people start funding after a month or so. All right, it has broken, guys, your day high. तोड़ दिया जी.
It takes you up to 1,000. In my habit, like I exit very early.
It's okay.
So
Put a TP. Put a TP, 4 ticks, 2 ticks, 10 ticks. Generally, from every trade, there is slightly, you have to understand. For every trade, let's say an area trade, 5 points. So you can't just be exiting in 2 ticks. You got to give it 4 ticks at least, right? So a mid-band trade or a SRES trade or divergence, 4 ticks is, so. So learn to sit in a trade for a bit longer, So that'll make your job a lot easier.
big areas.
Exactly. Areas is the best way to do it.
I was doing yes, but shifting to NQ now.
पूरी sync हो गई हैं 3 markets. ES, NASDAQ, ES and Dow now. Only thing is Russell, हाँ, Dow जा रही है, Dow सारों को ले गई ऊपर. Bad news and Dow ऊपर ले गए. Like तीनों की लाइनें सेम हो गई. जी जी.
So when you get profit and then you take that back to Wise
Yes,
account,
correct.
and then the Visa card, right?
No, that's a debit visa.
Debit Visa card.
From Wise, you can send yourself e-transfer. You can send it to your account, wire it.
To the bank.
Yes, correct, correct. No. नहीं नहीं चल रहा है जी चल रहा है. हाँ नहीं नहीं वाइज इंटरनेशनल कर दिया वो डायरेक्ट वाइज पे नहीं भेज रहे प्लेन पे भेजते हैं तो एपेक्स चल रहा है मेरा वाइज पे ही आता है नो प्रॉब्लम
और आप सजेस्ट कर रहे थे कि यहाँ पे भी US डॉलर अकाउंट होना चाहिए.
हर चीज यूएस डॉलर रिकमेंडेशन यूएस डॉलर
तो उसके लिए तो टैक्सेस पे
हाँ नहीं आपका अकाउंटेंट टेक केयर करेगा ही
तो वाइस में पैसा इमीडिएटली आता है, लेकिन वाइस से बैंक में 3 दिन लगता है।
एक दिन लगता है।
एक दिन
Still stuck in R1. Both market. One is R1, one is R2.
Oh,
60-minute diversion, 5.
2, 3, yeah. Just make last one. Faster. Sir, a question for you.
Honey?
Why is your account खोलना पर्सनल खोलना है?
Personal.
एक ही ऑप्शन है बस।
हाँ जी।
ये जब टेक प्रॉफिट बोला था तो उसमें उन्होंने सिंह क्या मांगा था?
क्योंकि वो रिपोर्ट कर सकते हैं ना CRA को।
लेकिन बोलना नहीं मांगा,
वो बाद में मांगेगा,
जब
राउंड 2 में मांगते हैं।
तो सिंह नंबर तो जाएगी।
यस, सिन नंबर के बगैर, क्योंकि वो चाह रहे हैं कि राइट लोग हैं, वो पर्सन राइट हो, सारा लेजिटिमेट है।
लेकिन सब ये सब यूएस कंपनी है।
हर यूएस कंपनी और फंडेड कंपनी का मुझे कभी एतबार नहीं होता कब भाग जाए, क्योंकि फास्ट ट्रैक वाले भागे हुए हैं तो दे कैन ऑल रन अवे टू।
कैनेडियन कोई कौन सी
कैनेडियन फ्यूचर्स अलाउड नहीं है ना, इवन हमारे पास कोई फ्यूचर्स की कैनेडियन फ्यूचर्स हैं CMC मार्केट्स, बट नॉट ए यू, बिकॉज वी आर डीलिंग विद US कंपनी एंड US एक्सचेंज, राइट। सो
सर आप कल बता रहे थे कि 2 कंपनीज हो रहे हैं, ये GFF
ये रियल पैसों वाले हैं, GFF एंड AMP अपने पैसे। 3 कंपनी है, निंजा, GFF, AMP, फ्यूचर्स की कंपनी अपने पैसा, लेकिन ओंटारियो के लिए सबसे सस्ती निंजा है। यस,
बाद में आप एडवाइस करते हैं कि वो उनका 0.3 कुछ पैकेजेस हैं निंजा के जहाँ पे।
हाँ नहीं, डिपेंड करता है आप कितने आप लॉट ले रहे हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितना कर रहे हैं, उस हिसाब से कमीशन है ना। No retracement on ES at all. Again, mid-band works, goes back up. Blue box, mid-band works, goes back up. 540.
एक जनरल क्वेश्चन था।
हाँ जी।
ये जो एरिया है वो मंडे टू थर्सडे अलग में है और फ्राइडे का अलग,
क्योंकि फ्राइडे को हम 15 मार्केट्स नहीं करते हैं, 4 करते हैं, बल्कि तो उसकी वजह से हम ना उसका सेक्शन ही अलग डालते हैं।
कोई लॉजिक
नहीं, सिर्फ क्योंकि उसकी शीट ही डिफरेंट है। उसका हम नहीं करते, बिटकॉइन और फॉरेक्स और ये सारी, सिर्फ 4 मार्केट बड़ी करते हैं, तो हमने फ्राइडे को अलग ही रखा हुआ है। किसका? बिटकॉइन का है ना, है लिखा हुआ है बिटकॉइन। आप ईएस से बाहर आए तो बिटकॉइन करें।
और सर डैनियल सर फ्राइडे को नहीं,
नहीं फ्राइडे को नहीं, मंडे टू थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे संडे ही डज द कोर्स, और मंडे टू थर्सडे हियर, but the floor is open like for you anytime. Generally by 11 most people are done, and then अगला फिर अगर कोई फंस जाए ट्रेड में तो वो फिर 4 बजे तक बैठा रहता है। तो the majority traders don't want to take any stop loss, तो वो फिर बैठे रहे।
और सर ये जो ट्रेड कॉपियर है, ये 1 by 1 कॉपी होता है?
नहीं, आप जहाँ पर करते हैं तो वो एक ट्रेड मास्टर अकाउंट होता है, फिर फॉलोअर होता है, तो जो मास्टर ने किया फॉलोअर ने कर लिया। रेशियो भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, इसमें 2 लॉट लो, इसमें वो पूरा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सॉफ्टवेयर है। यस 129 वन टाइम है, वन टाइम है नहीं,
तो हो गया मेरे नेक्स्ट मेरे पास,
तो छोड़ दें।
नहीं ये 2 हो गए।
हाँ एग्जाम हो गए हैं, पास हो गए, ठीक है।
तो मैं 50 कवर कर लिया, मैं आपको बोल ना जो
एंग्जाइटी है तो एंग्जाइटी का हल क्या निकालें?
कॉपी
हाँ नहीं करना आपके लिए कॉपी, क्योंकि आप 2 अकाउंट इकट्ठे उड़ाएंगे। कॉपियर करना ही नहीं भाईजान आपके लिए। $4100 PMA 4100 बनाएंगे तो आप $1500। क्यों नहीं निकाल लें? 4100 बनाए, 1500 निकाल लिए, पड़े हैं 2600, फिर 1500 बनाए, निकालते जाएं जितनी मर्जी दफा। सपोज करना ही नहीं है ना, निकालने हैं। ये कंपनी भाग जाए आप क्या करेंगे? हाँ वो फास्ट ट्रैक भागी थी कि नहीं? भाग ही गई थी। अब इतना पे आउट्स लोगों के तो निकल गई ना, तो 1500 4100 बनाए, फटाफट पैसे निकालें, फिर दोबारा 1500 बनाए। आपने बनाया 3100, 3100। यप करेक्ट। हाँ another midband worked beautiful है जी। पहली दफा 1500, सेकेंड टाइम 3100, फिर निकाल सकते हैं। मैं यही 3100 कह रहा हूँ ना। 1500 निकाल सकते या 1000 निकाल सकते। पूरे निकाले, डर गए, कहते बड़े लोगों ने ये निकाल लिया है, लॉट सब में 20 लॉट लेते करते, वो भी एक दिन पास।
आपको देखकर पे आउट हो जाएगा।
हाँ
$37,000 है कि बी काउंटर 37,000, 7 लाख $7.5
नहीं केस अकाउंट था, केड़ी कंपनी? नहीं एपेक्स मैक्सिमम 37,000 पर अकाउंट पॉसिबल है जी, है। वो सर बड़े 20 लोगों ने अकाउंट रखे हुए हैं, 100 रखे हुए हैं। आप मिसेस का, बेटे का, बेटी, एक दफा एंट्री आ गई तो कॉपी करना है ना, तो वाह।
ओके नहीं चलो सर जीरो 50 लाइव अकाउंट अगर दो हो ऐड कैसे करना चाहिए
2 लाइव अकाउंट, बस एक और निंजा ट्रेडर कनेक्शन में जाएं, उसका यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डाल दें तो 2 हो जाते हैं, जितने मर्जी ऐड कर दें। कॉन्फ़िगर में जाके बिल्कुल ऐड।
राफे भाई
जी विक्रम भाई, ठीक गया जी,
ओके डन बाय सर 3 वीक्स
ठीक गया जी। हैव अ सेफ फ्लाइट।
इसकी ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस मेरे पास है तो पूछते रह रहे जिंदा आया चला गया
So now only option is take profit, is it?
Yeah, take profit is right now good. Yeah,
Like $104.
correct.
दिल्ली जा रहा है ना
Thank you.
No problem.
मेरी तरफ से कई दफे क्या पार्टी कर वो तो फनी वाली है अगले पे ओके आ रहा है ओके
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, इतने यूजर नेम पासवर्ड पा दो।
चेंज करना कनेक्शन
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
कनेक्शन नेम चेंज करना
करेक्शन नेम चेंज करना ना, लाइव अकाउंट।
कनेक्ट ऑन स्टार्टअप अप्लाई
हाँ जी, अप्लाई।
I like the screen.
SRES once again building above R2. Let's see. जी सर, क्या हाल चाल है?
नहीं वो अलग है निंजा का ऐप है नंबर से इसके नंबर डिफरेंट है इसके नंबर डिफरेंट और फ्यूचर में वो एक्चुअल मार्केट ये नीचे दिखा रहा है सर इशू आता है
हाँ
ऐप का खोला है
हाँ,
मेरे फोन के ऊपर ऐसे क्यों
मीन क्यों
नंबर डिफरेंट था
नहीं, ये क्या नंबर?
72 इसका 72 एमबीएस का
ये हॉट पे जाए जरा, तो अभी चल रहा है 6472 U25, ठीक है।
पीरियड भी ठीक है यहाँ 85 दिखा
नहीं नहीं, डॉम पे जाके देखें, वो डॉम की टिकट पे जाके देखें, ऑर्डर टिकट पे, चार्ट पे नहीं देखना।
ऑर्डर टिकट पे जाओगे ना उसमें करंट प्राइस पता लगे सॉरी एम नहीं है ये फ्रोजन है बॉस इसमें नंबर चेंज नहीं हो रहे मैं वही देख रहा हूँ ये फ्रोजन है इसमें नंबर चेंज नहीं हो रहा अजय लोग
नाइट टाइम ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा
24 घंटे कसिनो खुला है,
है?
जब मर्जी जंप इन कर दें। सुबह 3 से 6 वहां पर रियल यूरोप सेशन आता है। तो जो जो गैम्बलिंग है वो तो किसी भी वक्त हो जाएगी ना, लेकिन ट्रेडिंग ट्रू है, जब वॉल्यूम है वो सुबह 3 से 6। All right, 11:47, and then it's not heading anywhere.
So next big news day कौन सा?
सर बिग न्यूज डे अगला आ रहा है ना, कल कल का भी है, बड़ा है बड़ा। ट्रेड अवे, फॉरेक्स फैक्ट्री, आईएसएम। सर कोर पीपी है कल, जो है ना नॉन फार्म फर्स्ट फ्राइडे ऑफ द मंथ है, बड़ा है? ये 8:30 कल, बहुत बड़ा है। नॉन फार्म फर्स्ट फ्राइडे। आना तो नीचे चाहिए इसको।
जॉब लॉस तो काफी हो रहा है।
देखिए आज इतनी 3 बड़ी न्यूज आई, मार्केट ऊपर से। दिस इज वेयर वी कॉल मार्केट मैनिपुलेशन टू द एक्सट्रीम। जब लोग शॉर्ट करेंगे, सिस्टम लॉन्ग करेगा। जब वो आप लॉन्ग करेंगे, सिस्टम शॉर्ट करेगा। तो because it goes against you, right? That's the whole thing. So what you have to do is you have to wait where the money eventually gets tired, which is the support and resistance. कि कहीं जाके तो उसने अपना सेलिंग शुरू करनी है ना। जैसे गिर रहा है गिर रहा है गिर रहा है गिर रहा है, तो बाइंग कहीं शुरू हो गई, और चढ़ रहा है तो सेलिंग है। तो वो नंबर हमारे पास बड़े एक्यूरेट है कि जिस तरह आज था 510 है R1, अब R2 का वेट हो रहा है, या S1। मैं S1 में तो नहीं कुछ एंटर किया, लेकिन
शाम को 3:30 के बाद काफी चेंज हुई।
हाँ तो सर आज शाम को भी बहुत तेज होगी। अर्निंग्स हैं ब्रॉडकॉम की, आज 4 बजे जाएगी मार्केट किसी तरफ।
कल जो था वो 3:30 बजे हुआ था, मतलब अर्निंग से पहले ही।
तो अब 12 o'clock बड़ी वाली कैंडल है ना, वो क्रिटिकल है टू फिगर आउट वेयर आर वी गोइंग। अनदर मिड बैंड वर्कड टू द टॉप, came from higher high. जी मार्केट ठहर गई है 510 20 10 20 के अंदर। वो आपका फिक्स वो हो गया? ठीक है ठीक है। All right guys, another 10 minutes and I'll call it a day. Enjoy. See you guys. नहीं अभी वो ना डिसाइड हो रहा है कि शुड आई गो बैक, बिकॉज देखें 550 से 410 से 550 60 मिनट में बिट ऑफ ए डाइवर्जेंस लगी हुई है। So not enough people are buying, so because market is in consolidation going sideways, 5 up 5 down, 10 up 10 down. Because 12 o'clock candle really again decides because it's a 4 hour candle. We'll see which way the price wants to go. Much.
So here, website, sir. AI-based unique key.
Yeah, अभी नहीं रेडी हुआ.
अभी नहीं.
अभी इसको बहुत टाइम चाहिए. We're gonna. वो भी अभी ready नहीं हो. So we're trying to plot these areas on TradingView. So still nothing there. All right, let's request some profits here on Purdia for today. For September. Okay. Request payout. 407.50. 786. So I missed a day in beer. Yeah, I didn't request yesterday. 2nd September. Let's get a 786. That we'll put in somewhere around here. No, change it to 6193 minus 786 minus 407. Yeah, good. All right. So wait for 6,500 before you sell any. That's our area, or 552.
फर्स्ट कैंडल रिजेक्शन का समझ में नहीं आता मुझे।
उसके लिए पूरी वीडियो मेरी देख लें 1 आवर की। जुलाई है कि tells you exactly how the third candle gets rejected. Yeah, they'll tell you. If you log into the trading academy, in the left bottom it's my Zoom session, and the last Zoom session covers this third candle rejection, how to do buy stops and sell stops. 100% सिंक हो गए, डाउ भी रसल भी आ रहा है ऊपर ऊपर, अब वो इकट्ठे सिंक हो।
कैंसिल कर देना चाहिए
कौन सा वाला?
क्योंकि ऊपर जाइए जा रहे हैं
600 उठाना है तो डिलीट कर दें, डिलीट कर दें।
अब बेस्ट ये नीचे ही आए फिर बाय लगाओ, हाई का कोई पता नहीं है।
क्योंकि यहीं से गिर सकती है ना, यहाँ से गिर सकती है,
कहाँ से?
यहाँ से।
यहाँ से क्योंकि डाउ देखे ना R2 के पास है तो वो नीचे आया ही नहीं है, हालांकि उसने भी लो को टच किया है, उसने भी हाई को टच किया है, उसके बाद फिर आए नहीं वापस।
अभी तो 12 है, 5
वो हाथों पे चला गया, उसको जाना नहीं चाहिए था। अब यही है, दोनों नीचे आए, लो पे 110% रेट है, लो पे दोबारा वापस आए। क्योंकि गोल है वो कंट्रोल कर रहा है ना, गोल तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा, फिर वापस ऊपर जा रहा है।
जूम सेशन में क्या देखना है?
जुलाई की आखिरी है, जुलाई की, उसमें थर्ड कैंडल रिजेक्शन कैसे चलती है।
इसमें जूम सेशन में I am in the Zoom session,
जी जी,
but only showing 3 और
हाँ बिल्कुल, लास्ट वन वाला जूम सेशन 30 जुलाई में हुआ है ना, उसमें है सब कुछ। Another mid-band worked. Sorry, 19th August. 19th August has a 3 candle rejection, sorry.
स्ट्रेंथ
हम्म,
स्ट्रेंथ करके मैंने छोड़ा है, सारे चल गए। स्ट्रेंथ 99।
हाँ हाँ, वो बस एनी टाइम गिरना है नैस्डैक ने तो सारों ने नीचे आ जाना। सर 600 से
गिरनी चाहिए।
चाहिए।
नंबर इन्होंने दिया 600। ओके, ये वाला सर।
देखिए इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट ईयर तो
हाँ भाई, तो फिर तो भाई
ओके जी, टेक केयर जी।
कौन सा
Again, mid-band worked from ES 1510.
ये जो प्रॉफ कौन से इनकी जो डिस्काउंटेड आते हैं प्राइस पता कैसे होते हैं मतलब
Generally, मैं announce कर देता हूँ साथ because as an affiliate I get a little bit faster. So अभी तो कोई सेल नहीं है, लेबर डे की सेल खत्म हो गई, तो अभी सिर्फ सेल पे है, तो टेक प्रॉफिट $90 में आपको पीए भी साथ दे रहा है।
तो मेरे 2 अकाउंट लगे उसके।
तो कुछ भी नहीं है, लोग डिपेंड
वो अपने रिन्यू करेगा दोबारा,
खुद ही रिन्यू करेंगे, खुद ही
वेट करूँ?
वेट कर लें या उसको कैंसिल करके नया बाय कर लें।
ओके,
लेकिन अगर बुलनॉक्स के गए हैं, नई प्राइस अभी महंगी है, तो आप
ये टेक प्रॉफिट
फिर टेक प्रॉफिट को तो कहीं पर भी कैंसिल करके रीस्टार्ट करेंगे, तो वरना आपको पूरा रिन्यूअल का वेट करना पड़ेगा ना। या
लॉगिन करके उसको
यस यस है, डाउ का नीचे चाहिए सारे एरिया चला, वेरी नाइस, डाउ ले लिया जी ना। अच्छा, आज आप डाउ लीजिए सर, वेरी नाइस। ये 5 पॉइंट ऊपर आती है, 10 पॉइंट नीचे जाती है, वहीं खड़ी है 535, 36, 37, नो मूवमेंट। 11 के बाद तो अब आप सिर्फ वेट करेंगे कि 12 o'clock 4 candle, there you go. All right guys, see you guys tomorrow at